Hey NEET champs! A man who coughed in a bus. In a crowded bus, one man coughed, and within months, several passengers were diagnosed with the same deadly disease. This is how tuberculosis spreads. A single infected person can release thousands of Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria in his droplets, silently infecting others. NCRT highlights tuberculosis is an airborne bacterial infection that attacks lungs. The immune system forms granulomas to wall off bacteria, but upon reactivation, the disease spreads rapidly. Here is a quick NEET check. Tuberculosis is caused by options are Streptococcus, Mycobacterium, Salmonella, Plasmodium. You have 5 seconds to think. Time up. The right answer is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. One cough, one NEET clue. Train your brain for NEET game. Bye bye.